Namaskar. It's time for match number 19 of the Maharashtra Premier League. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the 4S Puneri Bappa from the MC International Stadium, Hunze in Pune. Playing 11 of both the teams, it was Ruturaj Gaikwad, the captain of Puneri Bappa, won the toss, chose to bat. To talk of the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, the top order needs to fire. Saniket Porwal, Tripathi, Bhavne, Matre, Munde, Dongre. Talk of Puneri Bappa, Ruturaj Gaikwad fired. Pawan and Yash still to fire. Abhimanyu Jadhav was in top-notch form. We might have the vice captain coming in first. There we go. It's going to be Pawan Shah. But we know what kind of a batter he is. And giving company to Pawan Shah is Yash Shirsagar. Also struggling, 107 runs so far. If we talk of their bowling, none better than Nihal Tusamad. A little bit of swing on offer always.
ये बढ़िया शॉट, ये गेंद को आने दिया, ये गेंद भी काफी करीब थी उनके.
And the ball coming in, and that's natural swing. Chance at the non-strikers end. Manoj Yadav does it well. It's a good partnership this.
विकेट कीपर को देना, फील्डर को हाथ पे देना इतना आसान नहीं होता है. अच्छा थ्रो मारा उन्होंने और बल्ले गेंदबाज को इतना आसान हो गया. और कितने बाहर थे. शिरसागर कोई रन नहीं बनाया पहले में, वापस रन आउट होकर 6 पर 1. रोहन दामले 4 मैचेस खेले, 64 रन बनाए.
The 4S Puneri Bappa again going for the big swing.
ये बड़ा शॉट पवन शाह ने ऑन द अप मारा. कड़क शॉट यहाँ पर पॉइंट की दिशा में, चौका. हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका आएगा.
On the leg side, nicely picked up.
Incredible batting we saw of अच्छी बात इनकी बॉलिंग की मुझे ये लगती है, ये विकेट्स लेने के लिए बॉलिंग करते हैं. 4 विकेट ली थी पिछले मैच में भी, मजबूर किया था पवन शाह को ड्राइव करने के लिए, जिन्होंने 25 रन बनाए. 36 for 2.
Abhimanyu Jadhav scored that 65-run knock. Catch it is the call, and that's it.
Yep, this is a great message to everybody that yesterday was yesterday. You got to start all over again the next day. And this is what Abhimanyu Jadhav had to do, but he couldn't. Well bowled. Abhimanyu Jadhav gone for 1, 38 for 3.
But Ruturaj Gaikwad has walked out to bat, a strike rate of 170.9. And he's bowled him.
He's won the battle. Nikhil was saying he's got a good flipper. Onto the body and then onto the stumps. But he's got the wicket of Ruturaj Gaikwad. 44 for 4 now, PB.
Sahil Uttade is the new batter.
Lots of captains don't like to bowl the left arm spinners just for that reason, because then they can go with the spin.
Here we go here, half volley.
This time, over the long off fielder will watch the ball sail over him.
Shreyas Chavan comes into the attack, and the first ball.
Use of the feet. In there. Well done, Rahul Tripathi. And this is how it was broken. And another wicket for Shreyas Chavan. Damle gone for 38, 91 for 5.
Surat Shinde is the new batter.
Maharashtra would be loving to see this time in the air. Didn't time it. Oh! Wicket number 5! Credit to the fielder there. Well judged. Good running catch. Manoj Yadav is the fielder. Uttade gone for 26. And now after 16, 94 for 6.
Ramkrishna Ghosh is the new batter. Oh, that'll be a boundary, a lucky one at that.
Oh! Gets a wicket of a bad ball. Gets a wicket of a short delivery. Rewarded for the previous one, where Siddharth Mhatre dropped it. The captain made no mistake there.
Ramkrishna Ghosh out for 0, 99 for 7. Sachin Bhosle, the new batter. Good cricket that we're seeing. Oh, that is excellent cricket.
down the leg side with the fine leg inside the circle. Suraj Shinde, if he bats like this, that is well on the cards. A banged in shot wants a single, and that will be a run out at the non-striker's end. Sachin Bhosle to reach at the other end. Tried his best, but well shot off the crease. That's another wicket for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Sachin Bhosle run out for 4, 1, 2, 3 for the loss of 8 wickets. The new batter is Sohan Jamali, but he'll be at the non-striker's end. Full toss, and he has given the desired treatment. Yes, he connects well. One bounce into the fence. On the bounce, nicely stopped. A single there to finish a very good over. A good finish in the end for Forest Puneri Bappa. 20 came off that final over. And as Maninder Singh had said, 135 on the cards. Exactly 135 for the loss of 8 wickets is what Forest Puneri Bappa have scored. Now the target for PBG Kolhapur Tuskers is 136 to win in 20 overs.
Aniket Porwal, 129 runs so far this season. Ankit Bhavne. Yes, taking a couple of steps ahead. This time takes the outside edge.
Compensating the previous delivery. Nicely played.
As he connected that, yes, an on drive. Maybe a chance for the fielder. No chance at all. Nicely bowled. Porwal coming down the track, but is he going to be lucky? Oh, yes. Goes big in the air. Chance for a fielder at mid-on. Is he going to reach that? Almost did.
This time, soft dismissal. The change of pace works. The variation for Sachin Bhosle gets him a wicket that he was looking for.
Yes, there were 5 boundaries. Aniket Porwal dismissed for 9. 27 for 1, Kolhapur Tuskers. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Rahul Tripathi. Sweeps, is it fine enough? Yes, it is. The fielder at short fine tried his best. To go on the offside. Oh, yes, nicely done. Sweeps and goes long. This time, Rahul Tripathi. Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar's signature on the bat, and there we go. The boundary coming in again.
Plays that one through the point region. Short delivery again, punishes that one, and the ball will win the race. Got his delivery, plays that one over the fine leg region. Yes!
A full toss, and he just gives it direction, and it goes over the fence for a 6.
Straight in the hands. Was looking to play the reverse sweep. The improvisation did come into effect, but couldn't beat the man at backward point. The danger man, Rahul Tripathi, has to walk back to the dugout.
Rahul Tripathi out on 42, 104 for 2. So that's the impact player. Nihal Tusamud has been substituted by Sachin Das.
Crosses the popping crease down. This is a better shot. The improvisation by Ankit Bhavne, up and over. And that boundary also gets him to his 50. Well played, Ankit Bhavne. 50 of 46.
And he celebrates that with another cracking boundary. The first batter to score 500 runs in the MPL.
And gets another boundary. Off the back foot. Trying to break the concentration of the batsman. But you can't break Ankit Bhavne's concentration. In the slot and dispatched in style for another boundary.
This time exactly in the opposite direction. Times it so well. Against the turn. But when you are in that kind of form, today, Ankit Bhavne simply unstoppable. And that 6 levels the score.
Yeah, take a look at how beautifully executed that sweep.
1 run to win. And Ankit Bhavne hits the winning runs. 70 not out for Ankit Bhavne. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers register a convincing 8-wicket win here as they beat 4S Puneri Bappa here in match number 19 of the Maharashtra Premier League. Out of the 8 wins that the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have registered, 6 have come while chasing. And this will be special because it is a thumping victory for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. That's the match summary for you. Puneri Bappa won the toss, elected to bat first. They could score only 135 for the loss of 8 wickets. Rohan Damle 38, Suraj Shinde a fighting 35 not out. Shreyas Sawan, what a falling spell that was, 5 for 18. And in the end, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers chased that with ease, winning the match by 8 wickets. Ankit Bhavne, the star with the bat, 70 not out.